Today I'm going to share with you my night routine and also what I like to do to prep the night before to be able to wake up at 5 a.m. and have a productive day. So on that note, let's just jump right into it. Once I came home from this evening, I actually received my HelloFresh order, so I just made sure to bring that inside, and I actually love HelloFresh. I will talk a little bit more about it when we get to the actual cooking portion of this video. So for now, I just put aside the package and took off my shoes and took off my jacket, put away my purse, all that good stuff to get really comfy and ready for dinner, because by the time I come home, it's usually around 5-ish to 6-ish, and at this point, I am really hungry and I'm ready to make some dinner and eat. So like I said at the beginning, I received my HelloFresh order. HelloFresh is a meal kit delivery service, and it does all the planning for you, prepping, shopping, and delivery of fresh ingredients straight to your door. So really saves time on the meal planning and grocery shopping, which is two things that I really don't look forward to. All your meals come in packages that look like this, and in each of the packages, it has all of your ingredients pre-measured, and it also comes with an easy to follow 6-step picture recipe card. You can actually choose from 3 plans, so either the classic, veggie, or family plan, and also each meal only takes up to maximum 30 minutes to make. It's super simple and easy to follow, and the recipes are delicious. And for tonight's dinner, I decided to go with their pork fajita recipe because I was really feeling it, and let me tell you, this was so bomb. I was obsessed. It tastes so good. So I began first, of course, by just washing all my veggies and chopping everything up, and it was really great because the onions came pre-chopped, which was amazing, so I low-key didn't have to cry when making this. And then I just put all the sauces. It comes with a bunch of spices, which made the food taste so good, and of course I just stirred it up. Once I allowed my peppers and my onions to cook, I just moved on to prepping the salsa and following the directions for that. This actually tastes so yummy. I'm definitely gonna be doing this again because it tastes super fresh and amazing on the fajitas. And then once I was done doing that, I just went ahead and cooked up the meat and then made the little sour cream dip as well. So it was really easy to make. Every single time I complete a HelloFresh meal, I feel like I'm a professional chef because the meal just turns out so amazing. And I'm someone that's not a huge cook, so this just makes it really simple and easy for me to learn to cook better, and as well to try different things out. And if you guys are wondering, you can choose which recipes you want to receive in your box. You can also choose to get it for 2 to 4 people. So I actually was cooking for my family, and this night my brother, my mom, and myself were eating. My dad was unfortunately at work, so he missed out on this meal, but my whole family absolutely loved it. This is how the food turned out, and it was so tasty. I'm low-key craving this again now watching this over. But I have to say, HelloFresh really helps me to not go for those temptations of getting fast food because everything's just very convenient, and this is just a lot healthier, and also it's more affordable. So if you want to try it, make sure you head over to HelloFresh.com. You can get started with 8 free meals, so that's $80 off your first month of HelloFresh just by using my code, which is NicolettaXO80. But once I was done eating my dinner, what's really great is I actually had leftovers, and I usually like to meal prep for the next day and just get my lunch ready so that I don't make any bad decisions when I'm hungry during that time. So I just put away the food so that I could have it the next day. Then I just head upstairs, and I like to do a couple of things before I wind down and relax. And the first thing I like to do is my laundry, of course. So I just went downstairs and threw a load into the laundry. And when I was going back upstairs, I grabbed the vacuum because I've been trying this new thing where I just take 15 minutes every single night to tidy up my room so that my room doesn't turn into a tornado, which if you guys haven't watched my clean the room video recently, that is a typical occurrence for me. So I'm really trying to get better at that and to clean up more often. And I find by just putting on a timer for 15 minutes, you can get a lot done. And it's just going to allow you to keep your room tidy so that you don't have to one day clean your room and it's going to take you hours to do so, because let me tell you, I know that struggle. I have been there way too many times, as you can tell by all the clean the room videos on my channel. At this point, it is time for my hygiene routine, and I will usually take a shower or I'll take a bath. Typically, when I'm not washing my hair, I will take a bath, so that is what I am doing today. So I just threw my hair up into a high bun. My two bath essentials lately has been lavender essential oil. This is really great for helping kind of make me more sleepy and to calm me. Lavender is really great for that. And then I also like to throw about a handful of Epsom salts. Epsom salts are also really great for relaxing, and it's also really great for the body. And if you struggle with things like body acne, it's good for that as well. I have a video all around that, so I'll link it down below for you guys. And I just like to end my night off with a warm bath because it really just makes me feel a lot more sleepier and a lot more relaxed. But once I was done my bath, now I'm just going in with my skincare routine. So of course, I just take my makeup wipes and make sure that I remove all my makeup. And then I went in with my cleanser, which is the Neutrogena Deep Clean Purifying Cleanser. This is really great for acne prone skin because it is oil-free, non-comedogenic, and it has salicylic acid in it. So I really like this to help keep my skin clear. And of course, I always like to keep up with face masks, so I am doing the Sephora Rose Mask. I love their face mask. It is amazing. This is really great for helping with brightening, so if you have like acne scars or hyperpigmentation. Once I applied my mask, I just head downstairs to get a cup of tea. And if you're wondering where these mugs are from, they are actually my merch. I will link them both down below for you guys, but I decided to go with my Girl Boss mug for tonight. If you guys end up purchasing it, make sure you guys send me a picture and let me know. I would love to shout you out. But I always like to have an herbal tea before I go to bed, and this is just really the time for me to unwind and relax, and that typically means me watching some Netflix. And I'm finally getting around to watching the movie A Perfect Date. Comment down below what your favorite Netflix shows or movies are, because I'm always on the lookout for something new. But once I was done that, it is time for me to head to the washroom, take off my mask, and then I just like to apply my face serum and my spot treatment, and they are both from The Ordinary, which I will link down below. They have amazing spot treatment and as well as serums for the face. And once I was done doing that, of course, it was time to brush my teeth and get all ready, because since I do wake up at 5 a.m., I like to go to bed quite early. So I typically go to bed for 9ish, 8:30 on a good day, and I just find that works the best for me. But thanks for coming along on my night routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out HelloFresh. The discount code and the link will be in my description box, as well as anything else I talked about in this video. But that being said, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!